Gem 17114, box 29. I don't need to randomize anything because we've done 50 breaks. So, I mean, I do need to randomize something. Obviously, the teams. You moron. Just foolishness. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Cavs, bottom is Wizards. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. And save. And away we go. Up first, this is cool. We have Kevin Durant, Giraffe, from the National last year. Kevin Durant. Brooklyn Nets are in the spot of 5 to Andrew Gott. It's a 1 of 1 for the Minnesota Timberwolves. Karl Anthony Towns patch from Totally Certified. Game worn material. Minnesota. Spot for Daisuke Kondo. Congratulations. It is Anthony Davis for the Pelicans. Flawless 4 of 25. Pelicans are in spot 15 to Michael Park. This is it. We're done now. Charles Barkley for the 76ers. On-card auto for Philadelphia. Spot 8, Cheng Richard. That's a nice card. Hello, Alan. Listen, I don't have anything at the moment. Let me have a think. Up next, Jalen Green, rookie signatures for the Rockets, mint 9. The Rockets are in spot 2 to Talon. Congratulations. Alex will leave that to us. And then finally, timeless moments to 49 for the Celtics. Boston. What a beautiful card. Jason Tatum. And that is Jam 17114. And done.